So the RIBA Plan of Work 2013 has about 8 stages, and in this video I'm going to be discussing the first one, which is called a strategic definition. So let's get started. Now the implementation of BIM is pretty common, but its implementation at the earliest project lifecycle stages, it's very rare. So today in this video I'm going to be discussing the strategic definition and what it is, and give you a whole narrative format so you can understand it even better. So now there are two particularly main objectives behind this stage. The first one is making up a business case. So let's go into the depth with the business case first of all. Now when I say developing a business case, I mean how is the client actually going to make money off of making this whole structure. For example, if he's making a hotel, then all of the people visiting that hotel or who are staying in it will pay him the monthly or the nightly charges for them to stay. So that's one way of generating revenue from this structure. A stadium, then all of the spectators that are coming in to watch the match or football game or a basketball game or even a cricket match will have to buy the tickets and pay him money in that form. So that's what the business case is. So that's like the whole business case, business side of the whole equation. Now we move on to the other side, which is basically stating that what are the benefits that this structure is going to provide you as being a citizen. So for example, if I am the citizen of this particular city or country, what is this structure going to help me in? For example, if you are building a hospital, let's say, then you're going to help every little kid who has got scraped ankle or something, or every other old man who has Alzheimer's. So these are the kind of values that you have to provide. Now the other objective, this was the business case and the business objectives. Now the other objective that we are going to be talking about is the BIM objectives that we have to focus on in this stage. So let's see what are those. Firstly, on this stage as a BIM objective, the main and the key task is to make a BIM implementation plan, because the BIM implementation plan will govern how all of the BIM strategies and the objectives, how will they all be achieved over the lifespan of the whole project. The cost which the client has to bear in order to implement BIM on this particular project. Also defining the extent to which the BIM implementation will take place. For example, all of the 4D, 5D and 6D analysis will be taken into consideration. Now if you guys don't know what 4D, 5D and 6D analysis is, I suggest you go to my website. The link is going to be in the description below. You will find a blog which states all of the things that you need to know about these different dimensions. And last but not the least, we have to prepare the whole responsibility matrix. Now this states that we have to determine all of the project roles and what are the responsibilities that are going to be on these particular project team members that are included in the project. And also, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you thought it sucked, leave a comment down below. All of the questions will be answered, and if you guys want to know more about BIM or topic like this, be sure to follow me on Twitter, Facebook or whatever. All of the social links are down below, and that's about it.